you don't have a lot of clothes, and because of this you don't shoot a lot of videos, or you don't shoot videos the way you want to shoot them, then this video is for you. I've got you covered, because with just one clothes you can be able to achieve this number of clothes, that is with just this one cloth. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to change the clothes on all your videos, even if you don't have a lot of clothes, and people would actually not know. And yes, this is done for free, and we are going to be doing it on the app we love the most, Capcut. Now before we dive deep into this video, please do want to subscribe to the channel, and if you love video editing tips and tricks, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. Now heading forward, for you to be able to achieve this, you need to pick a shirt. That is, you need to buy a shirt. That is, if you need to buy, you need to buy a shirt that is in the color on the HSL. Now if you're asking what HSL is, if you go on the Capcut app and you go to where the colors are, where you are making all the adjustments, you will see HSL. Now in HSL, that is where all the magic is done. Advice: you can pick shirts like this one I'm wearing, green. You can actually also pick blue and some other colors or shirts. Those are the ones that are on the HSL tab. You will see the colors that are on the HSL tab. But I would say you should not pick red. You should actually not pick red, and also the color that matches your skin, which is more like the brownish color, not yellow actually. Now when you have done this, you have gotten your shirts and you are ready to change the color. Let's head down into Capcut. On the Capcut application, you import your video. That is the one with your shirt. That is the shirt you have worn. The color, me, I'm wearing green. You split it, that is, you edit the video or the video. After splitting it, you click on the video and look for adjustment. On this adjust, you can now edit the video to how you want it to be. These ones I'm just doing, I'm not really doing anything much on the edits of this video. You click on HSL. Now you go to the color of the clothes, which mine is green. You can either increase it or reduce it. Now anything with the color of green will change to the actual color you have set it to be, whether light or dark. You can increase the hue, you can increase the saturation, and you can increase the lightness. Now this increment or decrement you make will affect only the things with the color green. And yes, that is it. And you can see the color of the cloth has changed from green to black. And here you can do this and do this and do this till you're satisfied with the colors that you've gotten. And yeah, that is it. Almost the same thing like blue. Let me change the color of the sky. It has more depth to it. And yeah, that is how you can be able to do this. This video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.